Here we have number 2. We are going to simplify by subtracting the polynomials. Notice I do not like dealing with the minus here. So this is really a -1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute to each one of the terms. So I'm going to be multiplying by -1 to everything. I originally have the x squared, 5x, and that -5 here. Once I distribute that minus, or that -1 in front, it becomes a -x squared, -5x squared, and this is already a minus, so it becomes a positive 5x. I'm going to bring everything else down. So it becomes a simple addition problem. All I have to do is combine them like terms by looking at their common degrees. So my degree 2's combine, 2x squared minus x squared becomes 1x squared. Then I have my degree 1, which is a -2x and a -5x. This becomes -7x. Then I have my green triangle. I have my 3 and my 5. That becomes an 8. So my like terms, that are my like terms after I combine them. Now I can write it in neatly. I don't ever write that 1 in front. So I write x squared minus 7x plus 8. Okay. B. Same thing. This is a minus between the polynomials. I see this as a -1. I'm going to distribute that -1 to each term. It's originally x squared, 3x, and a -1. Once I distribute that negative, it becomes a -x squared, -3x plus 1. Bring everything else down, 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. I can now combine some like terms. My degree 2's are going to be in my blue circle. 2x squared minus x squared becomes 1x squared. Then I have my -4x and -3x. This becomes -7x. Then I have my 8 and my 1. That becomes a 9. So in total, I can just write this as x squared minus 7x plus 9.